Happy spring everybody! Welcome back to my channel. Spring in the south always starts with pollen season. My allergies run really high. Stuck at home, I think it's time for me to do a spring Hoya update. All my Hoya have been dormant for the whole winter. They just started to growing when spring comes. So we will see a lot of new growth in today's video. Here's my fishtail Hoya. I was worried about this stem might be died off, but it's actually just being dormant. It just grown these 2 new leaves the past 2 weeks, and it's definitely a faster grower. For the leaves to be growing and form within the 2 weeks period. It's such a handsome Hoya. Here's my handle rope. It has been hiding in this jungle corner for the whole winter. I kept forgetting to water this Hoya, so that's why I put the fishtail next to it. I will never forget to water the fishtail, and I'll remember to water this one. It doesn't have anything growing on this Hoya, but it looks very healthy. This is the Hoya Crinkled 8. There's nothing going on this Hoya either. It looks pretty plump and healthy. Here is Hoya Bella. I haven't seen anything on this one either. Hopefully I can see some new growth soon. Oh, yep. You can see on the tip it started to grow. This is Hoya Rosetta. Also nothing on this one, I believe. Here's the Hoya Canosa Wild Boar Gray. One of my favorite Hoya. Such a beautiful Hoya. There's some new leaves that is coming up, as you can see right here. And then there's some more right here. So I believe this one is about to start growing. Here's my Hoya Sunrise. As you can see, it has been keeps growing new leaves and just dried off. I believe it's due to low humidity. I haven't been turning on my humidifier for a month or 2. I may have to give this one more humidity. Here is my Hoya Sparkle Pupukela. Nothing growing on this Hoya at this moment. I feel like this stuck right here. And on this point too. Here's my Hoya Australis. It's definitely a fast growing Hoya. Since the weather got warmer, it's just non-stop growing. For the past 2 weeks, that's just how far it has been growing. Here's my Hoya Pupukela Hawaiian. It also has been growing pretty fast, as you can see right here. Here is my Hoya. I forgot the name of it. I'll put the name on the screen. This is the one that's bloomed for me last year. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, sorry. And as you can see, it has been growing too. This one has been busy growing for the past 2 weeks too. As you can see, it's already started to growing long, this part. I really love the pattern on the sleeves. Here's my Crimson Prince. It has been busy growing too. I don't even think it was dormant during the winter time. So you can see there's a tons of new growth, and even dripping down this side. I do have a problem with this Hoya. As you can see in the center, I think maybe it was so thick with the leaf. When I water it, I can't stop just pulling the water on the leaf, and the water might be trapped in there and rotting the leaves in the center. I may have to do some operation on this one. Here's Avovada. I believe last time when I showed you guys, I did mention that there's 2 breaking stems and they were actually died off. One breaking point is in here, but it's coming out with a new growth side shoot on that side, and it has been busy growing. Such a heavy, big Hoya for sure. Look at this thing compared to my hand. Here's another Pupukela. I don't think it was dormant either. It just has been growing crazy. Let me show you the craziest thing here. Such a beautiful Hoya. You like this plant? It's beautiful. Here is the Hoya microphylla. I believe I mentioned that I have to repot this, the broken new growth, and of course the top of the growing tips died off. I haven't seen anything yet. Finger crossed, there's something coming up soon. What is that? It's a heart? Here is my Hoya. I'll put a name on the screen. Yeah. As you can see, it has been growing for the spring too. Right here, that's a new growing point. This Hoya has been died off on the tips constantly for many times. It just keeps growing. Here's my little Hoya courtesy. I think it's due to humidity. I believe that the tip's starting to dry off. I may have to do something with this one too. But it's such a cute little Hoya. Look at the shape of the leaves. Here is my Hoya Korean Eskimo. There's nothing on this one too. I'm hoping it can start growing soon. I got this one right before the winter, so I'm not really expecting this one to grow during the whole winter. Spring's coming. It's time to grow. This is my spring Hoya tour. I hope you all enjoy it. I'm not planning to add more Hoya to my collection as we are going to move hopefully in a year or two. I already have more than 100 indoor plants that I have no idea how I'm gonna move with them safely. Probably not gonna add in more to my moving list unless there's something I really wanted. I hope you all have a fabulous day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.